So now we need to record, now we need to run that particular code, but it cannot be run on Python 3. It can be run only on Python 2. So open Python 2 IDE first. So once that opens up, what we can do is we can just go on to File, go to Recent Files, open up the one that is very recent, that is IoT Basics, emailing temperature underscore humidity.py. And once you open that up, all you have to do is run it up. So I run it, and once that is done, it should give me the temperature that is 28 degrees. Okay, humidity is 46%. So of course, it's not going to change because my temperature and my humidity is the humidity in the room is always going to be what is the room temperature currently, and it is maintained by an AC. So it's going to be constant. All I have to do is whatever I get, I just need to email my temperature and my humidity along with my date time, along with my date and time. So what I can do is I can just do the import date time, right? So import date time is another module, and using the date time I can get my current date time. So I can do it by using datetime dot datetime. Datetime module has a datetime class, and from that I'm going to say dot now. So when I run it, it's basically just going to take the date time. Now I can just print it up, which tells me what's the date time, what is the time of my Raspberry Pi currently. So I run it once again. Can you see that is the current time? That's 9:17 out here. 9:17, 32 seconds. 2018 4/14. That means 14th of April 2018. Oh, it's getting recorded. So I guess this is UTC time. 9:17. That's the UTC time for now. So what I'm gonna do is I need to email this to that guy. That's the email. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna modify a bit out here.